Welcome to today's lesson on mastering Excel with conditional formatting and data bars. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the skills to make your Excel spreadsheets visually stunning and incredibly insightful. Let's start with conditional formatting. First, select the range you need for analysis. Second, navigate to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. Once you are on the Home tab, look for the Styles group. Here you will find the Conditional Formatting button. Click on the Conditional Formatting button to reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of formatting options. From the drop-down menu, select Highlight Cells rules to apply conditional formatting based on specific criteria. You'll then see a list of options such as greater than, less than, between, and more. Choose the option that best fits your need. For example, let's say you want to highlight cells that contain values greater than a certain threshold. Click on Greater Than to proceed. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter the threshold value. Enter the desired threshold value and choose a formatting style from the options provided. You can customize the formatting to suit your preferences. Once you are satisfied with your selections, click OK to apply the conditional formatting to your spreadsheet. And just like that, you've highlighted cells that meet your specified criteria. It's that easy to use conditional formatting to make your data stand out. Now let's move on to data bars. Click on the Conditional Formatting button, but this time, instead of selecting Highlight Cells rules, choose Data Bars from the drop-down menu. You will see a variety of data bar options, each representing different ways to visually represent your data. Choose the data bar option that best fits your needs. For example, you can select a solid fill data bar or a gradient fill data bar. Once you've selected a data bar style, Excel will automatically apply the data bars to the selected cells, with each bar representing the magnitude of the values within the range. But don't worry if the default settings don't suit your preferences. You can easily customize the appearance of the data bars to make them more visually appealing. Simply go to Data Bars, More Rules. This will open up a dialog box where you can adjust various settings such as color, bar direction, and axis settings. Once you are happy with the appearance of your data bars, click OK to apply the changes. If you need to clear the changes, then simply go to Conditional Formatting, Clear Rules, and select Clear Rules from selected cells. I will get back my changes. And just like that, you've transformed your boring Excel spreadsheet into a dynamic visualization of your data. With data bars, you can quickly identify trends and patterns, making analysis a breeze. And that's a wrap on mastering Excel with conditional formatting and data bars. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to level up your spreadsheet skills. Thank you for watching and happy Excelling!